This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about floor mats, specifically these Serve Secure rubber floor mats. We have the black rectangle, which is 36 by 24 and features these lovely beveled edges, help reduce tripping by keeping you from catching your toe on the edge of those thicker kinds of mats. And we also have the red, which is an anti-fatigue and also grease-resistant mat. This one is a larger one. It's 60 by 36, so it's really going to cover a generous area. And both sizes are available in both colors, either the regular black or the red anti-fatigue. So you have some great options for different setups and areas in your kitchen, bar, or restaurant. Both are great for safety and help to prevent things like slipping and sliding, and they feature those great beveled edges on the sides to help you keep from catching your toe and prevent tripping in your kitchen, which is fantastic. The red ones are a nice anti-fatigue and also grease resistant. So they're going to be great for using around in spaces where you have your ovens or fryers or anything like that. They all feature this fantastic honeycomb design, so you have those great holes that allow for liquids to drain down to the bottom while maintaining a nice stable surface for your workers. So these are fantastic for prep areas, for behind bar areas, at sinks, and also your workstations. They're made of high quality rubber that is both durable and will really stand up to that heavy workload in your commercial kitchen and also the messes of those busy kitchen spaces. They're easy to wash or hose down after use for easy cleanup, and they're perfect for a variety of food establishments, bars, caterers, and even at home if you're looking for some great non-slip or anti-fatigue solutions.